Alright, here it is, the Tecumseh carburetor right here mounted on my Toro 6.5 horsepower lawnmower. And to show you that it works, just prime it up a few times. I have a brand new spark plug that I put in this machine. If you're going to be just changing out your carburetor, I would suggest you change the spark plug as well. So yeah, I've already primed it. Got to show you it works. One hand on the safety, gonna pull. It finally came, I'm so stoked. So guess what? If you have a problem with your lawnmower and you are unable to repair the carburetor, what you do is you replace the carburetor. We live in a time right now where it's cheaper to buy the carburetor than it is to go for the repair. And not too many years ago, it wasn't that way. So now, this is a $10 carburetor, man. These were like 25 bucks not too many years ago. But guess what, man? If you want to get your lawnmower fixed, I hate to tell you this, but it might be a better idea to go ahead and go for that carburetor. I've got a lot of comments that have been posted on my channel, and people have been saying, hey man, just go ahead and buy that carburetor. Well, guess what? You know what? You guys are right. So many comments telling me, hey man, just buy the carburetor. Well, here it is. I just did that. I'm so stoked to have this Tecumseh carburetor to show you. It's going to be brand new. Now here's a knife that my brother from Australia, Mr. Fire Sky, you're going to see him in the comments there. What's up, brother? He gave me this knife, and it's not exactly Australian. If you can see there, this is from, I believe it's Pakistan, man. Got a knife from the Middle East, brother. Middle Eastern knife. See right there? Little insignia. Friggin', I got Aladdin's knife right here. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my package and check out my brand new Tecumseh carburetor here. So, cut my tape. This has come from California. Of course it's come from California. That side, and then just lift open the lid there. Good. All bundled neatly inside. Ooh la la. It's pretty shiny. This is gonna do the trick. This is gonna do exactly what I want it to do. Oh yeah. Looks and feels good. Butterflies opening and closing. Throttle. Now, this is an aftermarket carburetor for sure, but it looks great. For instance, it would say, if this were an actual Tecumseh carburetor, a Tecumseh insignia on the side of this carburetor, which this one is missing. But I believe it'll work just fine, just like I want. Of course, I have to take a look inside. I'm curious to know whether the float is made of brass on this one. And sure enough, is that like a metric right there? I'm putting a 1/2 on the bottom, which should fit this perfect. But since this is made in China, that's probably a 13. Okay, I'm back with the 13 millimeter. That's what's going to be required to pull off this brass bolt on the bottom here. Okay, so I did give you the brass bolt at least here. Check that and set it over here. Okay. Plastic. Rock on. Looks clean, man. Full bowl gasket looks good. It's even like slightly lubricated. Alright. Might have even been tested for all I know. Good deal.
And look at this right here. A press fit aluminum fuel intake, not the regular plastic one that you're used to getting that always breaks. See, I try to give China guys a hard time, but sure enough, they actually fixed that problem. That is something nice, much better than the ones that are actually made by Tecumseh that have plastic right there. It always breaks.
There you go. Hey, rev it up if I want to, but I can run slow. There you go. Running good. Please like and subscribe, friends.